Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Eze-Ana Ugochi. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụgazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Ka na-esoyela anyị na administration anyị, keep sharing it, keep telling people about our administrations. Ka na-eme nke ka Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile gọzie gị ma gọzibiga gị oke. N'ezie anya na screen gị ga-afụ WhatsApp number ị ga-eji wee nweta anyị. Yes, nwa ajụjụ ị nwere na WhatsApp number ị nweta mbụ bụ 08057837672. I repeat, 08057837672. Welcome n'oge question and answer, darling.
You're welcome once again. Let's proceed with today's question properly. Who is Eze-Ana Mmiri, also known as Mame Water, and do ordinary practitioners worship her?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ normally interpret or misunderstand ihe bụ what Eze-Ana simple means. Eze-Ana is a word often used by Igbos, especially Anambra. Few people in Anambra. But the mere that word was here popular. Oh, because of Nollywood. Ebido na art film na Nollywood. Onye yiri white jiri nnukwute staff akpọ ya Eze-Ana. Mana nke bụ eziokwu akụrụ mmiri bụ na in 80s, 70s gbadaba, that word adịghị use karịa. Ịghọtara ya, all word amụtara amụta. Publicity by Nollywood movies. Mana na ba ihe a na-akpọ nwaanyị na Anambra anyị, side Anambra nsi ya, Nnewi Aziz ya na-akpọ ya nwaanyị owu mmiri, ma nwaanyị onye ọgbanje. Ụzọ ọrụ na-abụ akụ ụmụ nwaanyị na-especialize na-alụkarị mgbe a nwaanyị na-agba aja ndị mmiri ma ọ bụ aja ndị ọgbanje. Adị akpọ ha Eze-Ana maka na nwaanyị anaghị echi eze. Ịghọtara ya? Nwaanyị anaghị echi eze. Ebe e use that word queen Eze-Ana bụ na ejigo na ancient book na Bible ị ga-afụ ebe agbara ya, mana a na-ekwu maka the primordial queen, the nwaanyị nọ na the throne of the primordial. Then ya bụ nwaanyị na irradiate the feminine energy from Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile with the embodiment of the masculine energy. While the queen, the primordial queen, irradiates the embodiment of the feminine energy. All these two energy dị n'ime Chukwu. So ebe a ka ndị mmadụ si etu enwe the first concept of, but in the throne of primordials enwere queen of heaven. Ọnya maka ndị Catholic baziri weruzie that particular position nye Virgin Maria. Eji abụ ya queen of the sea. Eze-Ana nke eluigwe, kpakpando nke ụtụtụ, and the rest of them afọ a na-etu ya karịrị. So all that position anwa dịbu adị already in creation ka ndị Catholic locate to Eze-Ana, that is Virgin Mary. Ịghọtara ya? Then abezie na mmiri, enwere some waters that nwere feminine energy, that is yọpụta bụ na mmụọ nwaanyị bi n'ime nwee mmiri ụfọdụ mmụọ nwoke, like ekulo na-abụ mmụọ nwaanyị, man like eze dị na be anyị mmụọ nwoke. Ịghọtara ya? Etu a ka o si dị mmiri niile dị Naija bụ nwaanyị. Enwere ọtụtụ mmiri ma nwoke ma nwaanyị nọsịn ya. Then in order to express it, ebido kpọwazie ha Eze-Ana mmiri. Ịghọtara ya? But actually the spirit nọ na mmiri ka a na-akpọ the mermaids and water sprites. Ọha bụ ndị nọ na mmiri. Then enweziri ndị na-alụ na ụdị nwoke na enwe ndị na-alụ na ụdị nwaanyị. However, whether we are worshiping Eze-Ana, in Igbo spirituality, the right concept, we don't worship Eze-Ana or any other elemental beings. Eze-Ana, water sprite, is even one of the lower. Eze-Ana, people normally call mermaids. That is water sprite. It's even lower in the gross material. In the world material, only power. But all it limits is the word gross material. Then with other higher entities, they far ahead of the works of the mermaids, and otherwise known as called mermaid water. For that, Eze-Ana, for the one that's on there, so Eze-Ana 7 seas. Here now is lower vibration elements. And with higher vibration elements, your brother can show you now. But here now check whether more lower vibration elements, whether of higher vibration elements in creation, in Igbo spirituality, they are not there to be worshipped. Quote me anywhere. We reference them. We make friends with them. For them to nyara we connect here our prayers and requests or bring favor. They have the powers to bless. Don't misquote that. Example, the judge, now from Makakesi, or even DPO, were right, he discharge it. It was a case of Makakesi and whatever. Ibama one of one discharge at the occasion. DPO, more judge, near discharge Sikesia more. Makano on a position, the federal government will make occasion. The same way, or those Danjalun Kejuku, who had a power, ego sigi, more than a polishigi. The same way DPO would write, he ready, but we return again. So, mana, whether we worship them, the answer is no. Thank you.
Which God or supreme being do followers of Eze-Ana worship?
Yeah, thank you for that question. We Igbo spirituality, in the right concept, worship only Chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Let me tell you why we recognize and call upon or install some of these entities in our midst. Like arụsị, agwanwo na arụsị dị ụzọ na-abụ. Enwere arụsị mmụọ nke mmụọ ji aka akụba, nwa arụsị mmadụ ji aka ehibe to suit the present challenges ọ na-efesi n'obodo ya. Ịghọtara ya? Iji maatụ, enwere arụsị bụ mmụọ ndị entities and elemental beings bi n'ime ha, like the Oji, the Ngwu, the Akpo, and rest of them. Here are sacred trees. Originally, ụmụ mmụọ bi n'ime ha, mmụọ a na-akpọ Eps on Danjalun Kechukwu. In Igbo spirituality, we recognize their presence in our midst. Yes, we venerate them. Ha na-agọzikwa anyị. Mana enweziri arụsị ụfọdụ obodo ji aka ha ehibe for one reason or the other to solve one particular purpose or needs. Come out. N'obodo m Oraifite, o nwere arụsị anyị hibere, arụsị ejiji ọgụ, a na-akpọ ya ụlasị. Arụsị nwere mmiri, eji wee nụ ọgụ mgbe gburugburu. Ọ bụrụ na mbụrụ the elders in my clan, I will be the chief priest. Now, arụsị ndị nna anyị hibere ihe mgbe ndị agha aba na-abịa anụso ndị be anyị ọgụ. Anyị wesị na anyị agba ọsọ wee hibe ya bụ mmụọ. Anyị na wee nwee ọgbụgba ndụ na ọ ga-echekwaba anyị. Anyị gụdoro the terms and conditions. Nye ma gwakwara anyị ihe ọ ga na-emere anyị. Ịghọtara ya? Anyị gwakwara ya ihe anyị ga na-eselebrate ya. So etu a ka esi hibe arụsị niile. Arụsị niile ị na-afụ n'obodo dị iche iche bụ Ndanjelu nke Chukwu ka akpọtụ, depending on ihe obodo na-achọ. Enwere Ndanjelu nke Chukwu ndị na-eji ọgụ, nwee ndị na-enye ọmụmụ, nwee ndị na-eweta wealth. Etu a ka o si wee dị, etu a ka o si dịkwa na layer by layer in the realms. Etu a si wee nwee cherubim, seraphim, angels, archangels. Ịmago na archangel ndị ụka kpọrọ ya na Michael bụ onye isi ọgụ. Etu a ka obodo dị iche iche si wee sukọọ based on their needs. Wee kpọtụọ Ndanjelu nke Chukwu from that throne. Ọ bụrụ na mmụọ arụsị ya ejere ha ọgụ, esi na the throne of ndị na-eje ọgụ kpọtụọ ya, mee ya install. ka ọ nọrọ in the midst of people ka ọ ga-abụ enwe ka need ka ndị mmadụ je kpegharị ya. The same way federal government ji wee ka e wee nwee ike nwee harmony and peace in every community. Federal government wee wube police station ịdị na communities dị iche iche ka e wee nwee orderliness nchọdị. Ọkwa the same way ka ndị Roman Catholic ji wee bịa ṅomie ndị ọdịnala Igbo were na-emezi ha kacha ụka ha kpọtuo Chukwu ha na ụdị achịcha jee dowe ya n'ebe a na-akpọ chapel ma na sakrisi ebe ọ na-akpọturu ya fada na-ejere flet ya. Ihe eji kpọtụ ya na chapel bụ ka ndị bịara ụka na-eje ekpe ekpere ebe ahụ na communicate with chi ha based on ihe ha kwenyere na ya from time to time. So nọ mkpọtụ ka akpọturu ya. So mgbe anyị kpọtụrụ ụmụ mmụọ ndị a, ndị Igbo anaghị efefa ife anyị na-eme ụka ha yọtara anyị ihe awụ ụmụ mmụọ anyị chọrọ ka ha biri n'etiti anyị ka o wee dịrị anyị easy channel our prayers and complaints to them, but they are not meant to be worshipped as God. So ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye Igbo spirituality, note na ya na-efefe efe. Yes. So ọ bụrụ na ya mindset bụ na ịgbọtụrụ arobi na-agụ ma ọkpọgụ mmụọ ọbụla ị na-enye nri ibido worship bie as if not Chukwu, you are going too far. Ịbụ extremist. In fact, ịbụ a radical person. So o nwere ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ the radicality ọ bụrụ ọgwọ so na ọdịnala Igbo ka e nwere radical people. No, ọ dị na all world religion. E nwere ndị nwere the spirit intolerance. They don't tolerate anybody. They can go to war. So if you go on Facebook, ị ga-afụkwa ụfọdụ ndị hide under the ọdịnala, but they are very radical. They can go extra mile in the sense na ha na-defend the ọdịnala Igbo. Mana ọ nwere ndị ọdịnala teachers dị well refined. They can't go to war. They just make their point and respect the next person because every person, right person, can call us. So, ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye ọdịnala Igbo mana ị na-eje na disrespect ma ị na-eje na-eme ihe kwesịrị ime by worship those beings, angelic forces mkpọrọ ha, ị na-worship ha, you are getting it all wrong. I will advise you to desist. Yes, thank you.
How do you address the contradicting teachings by different ordinary teachers?
Yeah, thank you for that question. It's so alarming, but I'm not worried. I'm going to keep it yesterday. In fact, I had many. I don't want to start sounding personal, but they go used to listening to various teachings of acclaimed ordinary teachers. You'll be confused. Yes, but I can tell you, this kind of confusion I did not go from time immemorial. Every time when I go out at the Catholicism, Catholic books, I came across so many, especially during the Dark Era, when so many false teachings and heresy. Catholic in the way made a canon law. More than equals to such things, he faced the penalty. In fact, that was eliminated in the Dark Era. Yes, during the Roman Empire, during the Catholic reigns. They call it the Dark Era. They execute. Yes, because now when you go against the teaching of the church, a hindrance. It causes more confusion in the spiritual life for people. They eliminate you. Yes, man, does know onye kwuchie kweziokwu. So onye ọdana ekwusi uche. So ọbụrụ kwata ka o bidoro. Onye agbatara ndị Catholic ji wee mee ya mgbe wee sị onye je n'ụka ma ọ bụ gụọ akwụkwọ nke na-abụrụ nke Catholic. Erụtara m oge a na-eje ọzụzụ na Catholic. We are forbidden ịgụ akwụkwọ ọbụla enwere ihe a na-akpọ imprimatur. Ọ bụrụ na iwe ezigboto eko Catholic, ị ga-aghọta ihe a na-akpọ imprimatur. Imprimatur bụ iji anasi akwụkwọ ọbụla bụ akwụkwọ Catholic meghee ya. After the first page, ị ga-afụ ebe edere this book was reviewed and the imprimatur was given by so bishop. Bishop gosia the akwụkwọ. Or see yes. Now after reading this book, na nkuzi ya for na akwụkwọ a ga-abụ a great help to Catholic faith. Therefore, they recommend the akwụkwọ ka ndị Catholic gụrụ ya. The bishop so person or sign oil. Ije go na akwụkwọ a na-akpọ Peter. Ebe anyị afọ ihe na agụ. To accord the other holy books Catholic nwere. Ọ bụ na akwụkwọ ọ bụ na abụrụ akwụkwọ nwere imprimatur. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na you are not allowed to read this book because now the content therein might mislead you. So n'ọdịna na adịbụrụ harmonized. So ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ wee lahụcha ụla ọpụta ọchụ ofu abrakadabra kọọ. Yes, so o melụ and adịrọ united. So nwa ọkwụdụ ka ihe esi wee fish out because ụwa bụ onye kwu uche ya dị ọkwa eziokwu. Ma gị nwa bụ onye na-akpa nne ọgọ na-akpa nne anya mfe akụkwara gị ka ị na-eso ndị mmadụ na social media mara onye ị na-eso. I will advise you, advise come out to the mother. Either so that you don't so too many people. I put on your info message and my teacher like WhatsApp when I hear it get. At the stage as a beginner, he had confused. So on your board and kuzie ara wrong with he disease. Because if you get when cousin at the stage, he got it confused, he got it stagnant. Yamadi hinem. Yes. So ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-ekwe gị ma limit onwe gị to onye ị na-eso nwe onye ị na-eso so that onwe challenge ị nwere ijekwa jụọ onye asị akere maka ihe etu a. Mana ọ bụrụ na ị na-eso multiple people especially gị nwa ka bụ onye na-ebilite sorry nwere ike ịgba afa gị. Daalụ.
Is there a way, any way to harmonize ordinary teachings so that they can become more unified?
Yes, nke bụ eziokwu na ọ dịrọ chara possible. However, somebody like me, o nwere a book na work on now. Yes, as we speak now, ọ dị na printing press. So ihe na achọ email maybe for next week, I will review it to pinpoint any error, reviewing. After doing that, to be sure that it's perfectly okay. My intention is that this book I'm going to here before December, before end of December or after. Now I get one soft copy and one hard copy as we speak. I mobilize to go the printing press. Then the other going to look at the topic is why man was created. In fact, the about compendium of the entire knowledge you need in Masaru Chukwu. Yes. The concept equals Eze-Ana, here Basaro Kike and why you are here. So because of the so many things happening, so I have chosen to write more books. I will say write more. Yes, I will say write more because I'm out now. A book common idelo how to even leave you Guaderian. And for future purpose, when those books are in libraries. Yeah, for future generation that will see those books and pick them up and they work on them. So what am I saying in essence that there is no way we can be able to unify them because in Igbo spirituality or for Igbo spirituality as a way of making the ends meet. So to unify as in rubbing minds on retreats and so many things that will sharpen so it will be very difficult, but I know some people some people can still be saved by the Hage also the right people and without allowing other teachings, many fallacies from ignorant people and people that are always there to teach heresy, teach what some of the teaching that is not refined. Dashing it out to the internet because they can actually get data. So there's nothing we can do. We can't force people because so no go on onwe na egesi ma ọ na emezi uche ga amasi onye ị ga na-eso know who you are following so that onye ọbụla ị na-eso na-emezi na-etinye na confusion. Once you nwere this harmony and confusion in your mind and belief, you are not making any headway. So onye ọbụla na-ewetara gị nkuzi adro verified then therefore in a sense no na-achọ ka o introduce for certain things. Ụfọdụ na-ekwu ihe niile adụ dịka ha wee go viral. Akụ just on certain things that he cannot even quantify, as in one of them need atom of truth in them. Thank you.
Why do you discourage or stand against occultic practices?
Yeah, thank you for that question. I stand firmly against occult practices because of danger therein. Onwelo ihe kwesịrị ịma. Practicing occult practices, even if in social media you see ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nọ into occult practices and they are bragging. Because of that. And some people whose people are following them thinking that name was something very unique about occult practices. What I will tell you is diving into occult practices is like diving into unknown zone that might consume you if care is not taken. I discourage it because you have not matured to the level of having a strong spirit of discernment, a strong knowledge of understanding how things work in order to filter chaff from the corn. Therefore, you are exposing yourself and your spirits to danger. Let me tell you what occult practice is all about. Occult practice is all about money. Occult practice is a training of the soul. Maybe you are training your soul to have a knowledge of astral travel, astral movement. Now, let me tell you what happens. In the spiritual realm, there were masters and grandmasters and the messiahs. Everybody has his own light. Yes. If I go to any city, I will be able to sense the vibration of people living therein. Upon them with a strong messiah there, a strong called one, they will perceive it. And when they were a gift of that, they perceive energy. And when they were this strong vibration that they sense energy from interacting with you, they sense energy. Now let me tell you what happened in the spiritual realm. This highly developed spirits, humans, a symbol of like light. Will I call it star? Let me use star for you to have a faint idea of what I'm saying. That everybody bears. Even in the astral world, everybody bears. You see star that symbolizes a master. But you as a novice, you're a novice in the realm you are diving. Why I'm warning you is that you might be consumed. Because you are diving into the danger that is unknown. Yes. That you are a vegetarian is not enough. I'm not against somebody being a vegetarian. Because I'm a vegetarian myself. Yes. As spirit leads, then I can decide what my spirit wants me to do at every particular time. Yes, being a vegetarian is not bad, but if you know how to strike it, balance it, so that you will not be able to shortchange your body from the things your body actually needs, so that you maintain the higher vibration of your body radiation. So, but why I'm telling you not to dive into that field these days, there were so many dangers there. You might be harmed by higher matured beings in the astral because you don't understand how things work. Yes, let me give you an example. Why I say you should not dive into it is this. Some people might say that they have read so many spiritual books, therefore they are knowledgeable. They are not knowledgeable in anything. To be a real called one, or a messiah, comes from within you, even before you are born. You were sent here for a purpose. So it's in them. Adamuyam. I can not want them like Alpha. Adamuyam. God in them. Because the one is you direct. However, he need the other things. Then he had to do ọnọdụ ka ya ifere to Niger dị kita ka ma like mara ga atụ weche ihe nkọwa. You see in this Niger, and what some people, because of overtraining, training and training from birth, or borrow a skill they develop by themselves, talents they develop by themselves, is embedded in them from birth. I gwara anyị na ndị jọ na ha mụsịa nwa obere nwa eje kunye na mmiri, nwa ahụ asịa n'elu mmiri ha ma nọ nwa ha, nwa ahụ mina they leave the child na nwa abụrụ nwa ha. So ụmụazị a nwere ike ịfụ ụmụazị under 7 they can swim like fish. Ịkpọta real typical a job boy happy na Niger ifuru na Anambra side, see ya gufee to the side of the delta, that child will do it with ease. Mana kpọta another boy of 7 years or even older from ndị Eze-Ana, si ya gufee otu ya nụkwụ na mmiri ahụ ọdana aka okwute. You know why? The job boy ndị ma mmiri emego initiate to water, or they go familiar to water elements, and the overtraining and retraining and then ọdịzie ka ede na nwa ya ma otu akwa. So even the water psychic, you understand it very well. So that nwatakịrị nwere ike igwufe Niger, mana enwekwara onye ọdọ nwere ike igwufe Niger, not by maturity, not by psychic experience, not by maturity, not by experience, not by training, not by anything, but out of open eye. The person can go to where they are selling life jacket, oxygen, and other swimming aids, kit himself, and dive into water from Niger, Anambra end, and the person will burst to the Delta State end. Does it make the person a good swimmer? The answer is no. By carrying all those swimming jackets, any knowledgeable person that knows how to swim, by seeing him, understand that this person is a novice in this terrain. Now, if the person want to harm the person, knowing fully well that he's a novice, what the person just need is a needle. A needle. Just go to those swimming jackets, pump. Or one on your YouTube, pump in there. Then go to oxygen oji, but share oxygen, the person will be drawn. Nchon. You hope that when you dive into unknown zone, or maranya, come out with the AIDS. So, occult practices is like an aid. People learn over time in order to ascend to some certain level of spiritual vibration. Not that they merited it by inborn, not that they deserve it, not that they are mature by experiencing, in order to understand the spiritual things work in spirituality, and they mature to that point by their own making. But because some certain training, they were exposed to some certain trainings, they understand that to do this one, how to lie, how to sing, how to do this and that, how to do some astral travel. And the person is just as exposing yourself to the master's realms, you can be hurt. That's why I'm advising you, take it slowly. Don't rush. There is always danger in shortcut. Don't follow shortcut. What you need to do is step by step. Start from the spiritual exercise I have been teaching. Gradually mature, leave negative habits. Gradually you will mature within, and you will become a guru on yourself, on your own, by maturity, so that nobody can take you for a ride, nobody can take what belongs to you, and nobody can harm you, because you become a master, you become a guru by perfecting yourself. But if you want to expose yourself by occult, this thing, by initiation, by all these things, my brother, my sister, many have gone, and I don't want you to go just like that. So that's why I am discouraging it for now. You don't need it. If there is people that need is people that are already on the higher vibration echelon of their distance, they already understand how this is practiced, and on their own, they are master on their own. So nobody can hurt them. But for you as a novice, I will advise you to not to go to unknown zone.
What is your general advice to all Ordinana adherents, especially regarding to who they should learn from or follow?
Yes, my advice to all Ordinana adherents is that as you are new in Ordinana, start from one thing you must do. Start from spiritual exercise. I keep saying it. Spiritual exercise is engaging your spiritual forces, and ask your spiritual forces to guide you and to teach you, point to you who you follow. I mean, the person you follow is somebody that share and have so many things in common with you. Yes. I don't know onye na-eme operate. Na example, n'ebe onye ọgbanje bụrụ onye mmiri, have a little link with aja. Onye i kwesịrị iso onye nwere link with all these dimensions, because na ndị otu ya na ndị otu gị nwere a lot of things in common ka ọ guide ya gị. And ị na-eso mmadụ so onye dị nwere umeanị, onye dị umeanị ga-guide gị well. Hapụ onye nwere mpako maọbụ onye nwere ngala maọbụ onye think na ihe ọbụla is all about money, because you will not learn a lot. You will not get what you want. So ọ nwere ihe na-achọ, chọba onye na-eme ka gị, chọba onye nọ ebe ị chọrọ ịnọ, ka ị ghara ime mistake ịdanye na ọnọdụ abụ ịdanye na ya ọ bụrụ ihe ị ga-regret in future. All those things are my advice to new people in Ordinana. Ịbata na Ordinana, pay attention, don't rush, follow it bit by bit. What you need to be successful is maturity, and you cannot mature overnight. Avoid anybody with a pride. Look for humble person and ask your spirit to guide you and direct you to whoever that will be of great help to you. And pay attention to learn. And if you are following anybody and the person teaching is always putting you into conflict and confusion to the extent that you don't even know whether to continue or to leave, to quit, avoid that person. So all this is my advice I'm giving you, and don't confuse yourself from following too many people. Following too many people will put you into confusion, especially at this early stage that I am not matured. Me, I can listen to anybody's teaching and filter it. And when you can listen to a message here, so only 10 there by 1% go with and doesn't never chaff. So by so doing, we're able to help yourself in order to get stuck. As we speak now, we're following the nation, the mother nor the neighbor. But as they speak now, they are stuck one point. Because I go confused. Thank you.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries and deep consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. If it's nice having you here.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, keep following us. If you are a type that watch television, you can get us from satellite television, Yoku TV. You can join me on social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, all the names of Eze-Ana. My advice is work back and you have another Kubaka imejokwana mmadụ Chinaki ime na ndị ọzọ mere wee na-afri maka na oke soro ngwara ma mmiri ọkọcha ngwara ma oke ayọm na ya ọbụ na ọ ga-adịrị niile mma na ya kwaso na unu jisi ike, don't give up. Ọ bụrụ na anyị batara n'ọdịnala o nwere onye ị na-eso iso onye of a while but o nwere meaningful impact ma ọ bụ growth ị nwere, leave that person and look, ask your spirit to guide you and lead you to another person. Because you constantly they move from step by step in order to come up to the height. Because you know, we don't know.